Hello, today we got a new indoor cam from Amazon. It looks like it has two-way talk, motion activated, easy install, and plug-in power source. It looks like it has an easy access tab. So we're gonna get into it and unbox it. Oh, that's pretty neat. It has this side up. Having trouble trying to get it out. So this is the Ring Cam. This looks pretty nice, pretty slim. It's pretty small. Here is a soda can for reference. Let's try to get the rest of the stuff out. Here's the power supply and mounting hardware. It has screws to go into the wall. Plug in. That's pretty cool. Give you a sticker. Setup steps. Okay. Get the most of your ring. I think these are all instructions and important notices and everything. Let's see if there's anything else. More instructions, I think. Yep, more instructions. Okay, that's all we got for you today. Thank you.